I think I messed up. My Nest Hub Max camera is offline. Again. Let's figure out why this keeps happening. So why does your Nest Hub Max camera go offline? The most common reason is Wi-Fi problems. If your internet is slow or your hub is too far from the router, the camera can't stay connected. Try moving your device closer to your router, or restart your Wi-Fi. Next, check if your Nest Hub Max is plugged in and powered on. Sometimes, a loose cable or power outage can cause it to disconnect. Another reason? Software updates. If your device is downloading or installing an update, the camera might go offline for a bit. Just give it a few minutes and check back. Also, take a look at your Google Home app. If the app is glitchy or outdated, it can make your camera appear offline, even if it's working fine. Update the app, or restart your phone. If you've tried all this and it's still offline, a quick restart of your Nest Hub Max can help. Hold the volume down button for 10 seconds and let it reboot. Still not working? Reach out to Google support. Most issues are easy to fix, so don't stress. You've got this.